And while I was cycling up a hill today and my mind was wandering, a thought came up. What if the whole enterprise or the whole quest of finding yourself, your true self, is in itself contradictory? What I mean is that what if in that quest of finding yourself, whatever that is, you just escape yourself?
He crosses oceans, sacrifices his life in that search, but to find it, to really track it down, he is, honest to God, somehow afraid. For he feels that as soon as he does find it, he will have nothing left to search for.
The same thing as happiness, if you strive towards happiness itself, you'll never reach it. And so what if in a quest to reach yourself, you just get further away? Because these past few years, or maybe even more, I feel like I sort of got stuck in this loop of finding myself, of trying to find answers and trying to find the right career or the right profession, or all of those things. And the deeper I feel now, that the deeper I got into it, that the less I know, and also at the same time the more I know, but this knowledge of myself, of these various nuances and characteristics of myself that I now know, they've got me no closer to a concrete answer or to a concrete identity or a mode of being, a concrete mode of being. I feel that on the contrary, I feel that I'm just the more so expanded and all over the place. And so my question now is, maybe it's the other way around. Maybe it's not by going into yourself that you find yourself, but going out into the world, and it's the world that it's a complicated relationship, but I feel that it's probably a balance between these two. It's not that it's not as if there's an answer in yourself or there's an answer in the world, but it's a combination of these two things. You cannot escape either one. You need the world to set bounds for you, but in those boundaries rather, you find yourself. Or at least it seems to me that way now. Galbūt cituodamas Dostojevskį aš ir randu atsakymą, kad esmė procesas, o ne galutinis rezultatas, ne lobyje esmė, o pačioj kelionėje, lobio paieškoj, bet tada man klausimas ir kyla, kas trukdo, kas kelia tą kažkokį frustracijos jausmą, ir turbūt atsakymas, kad vis tiek net eidamas į šitą procesą tu nori rezultato, tu nori pasiekti kažką. Bet gaunasi, kad tą rezultatą reikia tiesiog paleisti. Atsakymas yra atsiduoti į procesą, kaip ir su viskuo turbūt. Kaip ir su statybom turbūt. Nors ir jie kažkada ir baigs šitą procesą ir pastatys šitą pastatą, bet statybos pačios iš savęs ir civilizacijos tobulėjimas niekada nesibaigs. Galų gale reikės ir renovuoti pastatus, kurie jau buvo pastatyti, griauti netinkamus, jų vietose statyti dar naujus. savianalizė beveik visada, jeigu jinai nėra suvaldyta, yra tiesiog neigiamas požiūris nukreiptas į save. Nu, tarsi, savisamoningumas, jisai visą laiką bus neigiamam fone, nebent tu esi narcizas.